Hey, welcome back. It's Dr. Monte here with Geek Rehab. So here where I live, we've been having some weather, all right, some pressure changes with the barometric pressure, rain coming in, rain coming out, and oftentimes that seems to flare up all my patients' arthritis. And not just my patients, but unfortunately, me too. So today I've been having some achiness in my fingers, this finger particularly. So I thought I'd try something, and it seemed to help. It didn't take all the pain away, but it did help reduce some of it. So I thought I'd share that with my audience and show you what I did to help me get through the day. So what you do is you take some tape. You want to get it to where it's going to cover the length of all the joints that's involved. So for me, it's just this one and this one. But if this one was involved too, you want to make a longer strip. But for me, it's not that case. So I'm just going to do this shorter piece here. And you can do this a couple different ways. I'm going to show you. Let's see. You can take two thin strips, or I found it pretty much about the same with just one wider strip. And you can take that. So again, it's just this joint and this joint. So I put it down here. Again, with all kinesiology taping, you want to put it on without any tension. And now if you watch, I put it on with my finger in a full stretched or flexed position. And I'm only putting it on as I peel the tape, as I peel the paper off, the paper backing. It's going on with that amount of tension, which is only 10%. Okay. And then again, you put the last one on without any tension. Now, that could be a little bit longer because it's just barely going over this. I prefer it to come to a fingertip. But what that does, if you can see, there's a little bit of wrinkle in that tape, and that helps to lift the skin and cause some decompression on those joints. So now, when I bend it, there's not as much pain, okay? So again, it's just decompressing the tissue. Now, the other thing I want to do, I want to try this for your eyes only, because I haven't done this yet. I just thought of it before we started recording. But I've done this before with athletic tape, so I thought let's see if it helps with kinesiology tape. So, you've seen athletes, basketball players, football players that sometimes get their fingers jammed or whatnot. They put tape between their joints, and that seems to help give them some protection. So that's athletic tape. It's not as easy and good on the skin. So I thought I'd try with kinesiology tape, see if I get the same effect. So I'm going to pull a little bit more tension, probably 50+%, and just wrap that a couple times around. Okay. That actually feels better there than just the one single black piece. And so let's try it again. Doesn't matter which direction you go with the tape. Okay, I'm putting it on with no tension again. But then you apply about 50+% tension to add some compression. Okay, and you end it with no tension. So that actually does take more pain away. And the one thing that I noticed with this, compared to what I did with the athletic tape didn't allow me to bend my fingers all the way. It kind of caused too much binding, and it wouldn't let me bend it. So for instance, like that would be the only limited amount that I could bend it with if I had athletic tape. So now with this, because it's not restrictive, it's more flexible, I can bend it all the way. I can make a full fist, and it doesn't hurt. So I didn't expect that. This is a new surprise for me, and now for you, that I think this actually would be better for, say, arthritic fingers, joints, and to help with function and full range of motion. So there you go. Black strip with 10% tension, just paper off tension in a stretch position. Then the yellow, or whatever color you want, with about 50+%. You just want to watch the blood supply on your fingertip. Make sure you're not going purple. If you are, take the yellow strip off a little bit of tension. So there you go. Now you can go back, type, use your fingers, and have much less discomfort.